Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I have another hair review for you guys, and this is a gorgeous unit that I purchased from Nadula Hair. Their info will be in the description box down below, but I just love this color. It is perfect for fall and I'm so excited to wear this unit. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I'd appreciate it. And let's get into the specs of this unit. Okay, so first of all, I was truly impressed with this packaging. How cute is this package? It's like a little purse for your wig. I love that like iridescent color. It's got their name across. Like, it's just so cute. When I pulled it out of the FedEx package, this is what I pulled out, and it's just so cute. And you can actually like store your wig and stuff in there. So I just love this. It is super, super cute. So I've only purchased human hair units from a few vendors. This is probably the fourth vendor that I've tried. And yeah, when I say the packaging is just something you've never seen before, it's just so cute and different and unique. And then your actual wig comes inside this little silk baggie, which most places kind of have this little silk baggie, but it's a nice quality little bag. And you guys will see when you open it up, so inside of the bag there's the actual wig, and then there's this little pouch that all wigs seem to come with, that little wig cap that you get for free, plus the hair tie to kind of melt your lace, and then that brush that you can use to apply like foundation or whatever to the lace as well. Y'all can see my daughter took the little wig purse and is playing with it in the background. You all can check out the unit that I'm going to show you in this video, as well as Nadula's full range of glueless wigs, lace front wigs, bundles. They have so much stuff on their site. You can definitely check it out. The link is in the description box. If you do use my link to purchase anything from their site, I will receive a portion of the payment. So this doesn't affect you as a consumer or how you purchase things or the price to you. It just basically gives me a little percentage of payment for drawing people to Nadula's website and for people purchasing from their website using my link. So if you purchase anything from the Nadula site, use my link. Help a single mama out. Get a little slither of cash, of extra income flowing in. But yeah. All right, so y'all can see here, I'm just unpackaging it. This is how it comes. All wigs kind of come like that with that net and other packaging materials on there. If you guys can hear my daughter in the background, she's just in the background making noises right now while I'm doing this voiceover. But yeah, you guys can see this gorgeous color. It's not really a 99J. It's just kind of like a gingery. It's very, very beautiful, very unique color, and I really like this color. Wanted to try something different for the fall. It does have baby hairs on there, and y'all can see when I will try it on. I'm not really a fan of the baby hairs on me. If you're somebody that has a smaller forehead, which I do not, then you might like the baby hairs. But yeah, I'll probably end up cutting these off when I wear this wig out. And you guys can see the construction of the cap. There are clips. I would advise you to not use those clips if you want to save your edges, and you can just use like bobby pins to hold your wig in place. And it does have that adjustable band at the back as well. And there is also another clip at the nape. Again, I would advise that you don't use the clips because in my experience, I have had hair loss from using those wig clips. All right, y'all, so now it's time to put this baby on. So I was just going in with my powder. Now, this is not my usual wig powder because that's my good foundation that I actually use. That's my MAC foundation, but I couldn't find any other one, and I was just trying to get this done. So yeah, I'm just putting some powder on my wig cap because I don't like putting it directly on the unit, but I did just do a little bit here, and it just helps it to look more natural. And I'm just popping this baby on. I'm just being goofy there because I'm always goofy. Why am I like this? So I was really excited about this unit because it is glueless. That's kind of the new thing these days, and I can definitely appreciate it. I don't always have time for melting lace, gluing it on. I actually don't like gluing down my wigs. I prefer to just kind of pop it on. I will use my Got To Be spray just to kind of melt it to my hairline, and then I go about my day, and at night I take it off. But if you're someone who you're gonna just wear it a few days and you don't want to reapply it, you can still put glue on this even though it's glueless. But if you don't want to, you can get away with just kind of popping it on and going. I am going to apply some wand curls to this unit, and I think it makes it look so cute. So you guys are going to just watch while I pop in those wand curls. So I always take a hot tool and just apply it to the parting. I prefer lace closures instead of frontals, just because it's easier to me. But I always take a hot tool and just kind of flatten it out at the top so you're not walking around with a cone head wig. But yeah, I'm just going to curl it now, and I'll let you guys watch.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance?
So you guys can see this is how it turned out with the wand curls in it. I really love this unit. It is just so cute, and I definitely will be ordering more from Nadula hair. I hope you'll check them out as well. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your sisters, your cousins, aunties, everybody. Shoot, you could even go ahead and buy somebody a wig for a Christmas gift. I mean, sound like a good Christmas gift to me. So check out Nadula's information in the description box. Leave me a thumbs up down below, comment, and let me know if you've ever tried Nadula's hair before. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would truly appreciate your support. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.